Hi there. Today's job is to sow some sunflower seeds. Really good fun, and children love doing it. I wish the grandsons were here to help me today, but they're lovely for the birds and the bees and for us for the summer. So it's simplicity itself to sow some now. So I've got some little pots, individual pots here, and I'm just going to moisten the compost there, peat-free compost with a bit of vermiculite added. And I've got some red sun, sunflower red sun, which look a great colour to sow. And so I shall open the packet and you can sow these outside, but I always like to do it inside. So I've got a few seeds here, but not all of them. And I'm going to sow the seeds, one per pot, like that. But I'm not going to sow all of the pots because I want to sow more sunflowers in a couple of weeks' time, and I've got more pots laid out here to remind me to do that, and that will keep the display going throughout the summer. So I'll tip the rest back in the packet there, cover it over with about 1.5 centimetres of compost, and then I'm just going to leave them in this bright place inside to germinate, and that will take about 10 days. And in about 2 to 3 months, I'm hoping that my sunflowers will be flowering.